Good morning everyone. Once again welcomes you in the geometry session that we had already studied in the previous session about the similarity, and we know that when two figures are similar, if they have same shape but not necessarily same sizes, then the figures are called similar figures. So in our today's session we are going to learn about the exercise 1.1. But before the starting of the exercise 1.1, I would like to explain or revise once again you what we had studied in the earlier class or earlier session maybe. So we know that we had studied about the area of triangle and the ratio of the areas of two triangles or the property of it, and there are some conditions belongs to this property of ratio of the areas of two triangles. So we know that when two triangles, suppose we have two triangles having area A1 A2, comma, their bases B1, B2 and their heights A1 and H1 and H2. So we know that according to the property of ratio of areas of two triangles, we know that A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. What is this? This is the property of the ratio of the areas of two triangles. It means we know that ratio of the areas of any two triangles is always equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding heights and the bases. So according to this property, we impose four condition. Out of the four condition, case 1 we had studied, that is we know that what happen if B1 equal to B2, then we know that area or the ratio of the areas of two triangles proportional to the corresponding heights, that is H1 upon H2. This was the first case. In the second case, we know that if we have the H1 equals to H2, then ratio of the areas of two triangles are proportionate to the corresponding bases, that is B1 upon B2. Next, we have studied about the case number 3rd. It means condition number 3rd, that we have what happen if H1 equal to H2 and B1 equals to B2. It means if the bases and the heights of the two triangles are same, then we know that is A1 equal to A2. It means the both triangles having equal in areas. And the last case that we had studied, that in 4th point case, that is two triangles made by median of triangle. And in this case, we know that if two triangles are made by the median of triangle, then both triangles having the same height as well as the different bases. Sorry, same bases too. Two triangles made by the median of triangle, they are also equal in areas. It means it is also A1 upon A2 is equal to 1:1, that is equal to A1 equals to A2. So these are the four cases that we had studied about the property of the ratio of areas of two different triangles, that is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2, and these are the four cases. But on the basis of these properties of ratio of the areas of two triangles, today we are going to start the exercise 1.1 of the chapter similarity. So now we are going to start exercise 1.1. This one first. And the first problem of this exercise, that is, listen carefully. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5, comma, base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of the areas of two triangles. So we have the problem here. If base of the first triangle is 9, height is 5, and base of the another triangle is 10 and the height is 6, then what will be the ratio of the areas of the both of the triangles? So we are going to solve this problem now. So solution. So we can consider, let A1, A2, B1, B2 and H1, H2 are the areas, bases and heights of triangles respectively. Suppose A1, A2, B1, B2 and H1, H2 are the areas, bases and heights of the given triangles respectively, then we know the property ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their heights and bases. So according to this property, we can represent the given information in the symbolic formula a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. So we have the b1 is 9, h1 is 5 upon b2 is 10 and h2 is 6 by putting the given values in the a1 upon a2 equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. So now 9 5 are 45 upon 16 is 16. So we can simplify this by using the number 5 by dividing the 5 in the numerator and denominator. We get 5 9s are 45 and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 60. So 9 upon 12 it can be also reduced as like a1 upon a2 is equal to 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 upon 4. Therefore we get a1 is to a2 is equal to 3 is to 4. So the ratio of the areas of the given triangles, that is a1 is to a2 equal to 3 is to 4. So this is our first problem from the exercise 1.1. So now problem number second. Problem number 2. The next problem that we have a figure here. AB is a common base, and there are the two triangles ABC and ABD, whereas BC perpendicular to AB and AD also perpendicular to AB. The length of BC is given 4 and the length of AD is given 8. So now we have to find out area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD. So our second problem is this. As shown in the figure, if BC perpendicular to AB and AD perpendicular to AB and BC equal to 4, AD equal to 8, then what will be the ratio of the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD? So here, solution. AB is common base of both triangles. Therefore, we can write that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD is equal to, that is BC by AD, because since area proportional to heights, area proportional to corresponding heights. So put up the values, that is BC equals to 4, AD equal to 8. By simplifying these two, we get, therefore we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That is 1:2. So this is the second problem. If BC and AD are the two altitudes of the two different triangles ABC perpendicular on the same base AB, then the ratio of the both triangles is equal to 1:2. Problem number third now. Problem third. So what is the problem third? Once again we have a figure here. Suppose in the figure we have a triangle PQR. PS is the perpendicular drawn on the side, extended side QR, and QT is perpendicular drawn on the side PR of the same triangle PQR. So we have the length of the sides, that is side QR equal to 6, height PS equal to 6, length of PR is equals to, that is PR equals to 12, and we have to find out QT equal to what. So in this figure that is given, in the adjoining figure PS perpendicular to QR, QT perpendicular to PR, and if PS equal to 6, QR equal to 6 and PR equal to 12, then what is the length of altitude TQ drawn on the side PR? So you have to find out this one. So solution. So how could we find the length of QT? So simple here, we can find out the area of triangle PQR by using the formula area of triangle it is equal to half into base into height. So simply, first of all, we take PS as a height and QR as a base. Remember guys, here the altitude is always considered drawn on the particular side, that side must be taken as a base. इसका मतलब हमें ये सोचना है यहाँ पर कि जिस साइड पर अल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ की गई है उस ट्रायंगल के लिए वो बेस कंसीडर किया जाता है और वो हाइट कंसीडर की जाती है. इट मींस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR. हमें ट्रायंगल PQR का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, बट QR as a base and PS as a height. Similarly, we can find out the area of the same triangle, but at that time we have to take PR as a base and QT as a height because QT perpendicular on the PR. तो हमें ये याद रखना है कि the foot of the perpendicular is also taken as a base of that triangle. इसका मतलब है PS का foot of perpendicular है QR, तो QR base होगा, और QT का foot of perpendicular है PR, तो उसका जो base होगा वो PR होगा. So here solution, we know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. We know that area of triangle it is equal to half into base into height. Therefore, we have area of triangle PQR. It is equal to half into base QR into height PS. यहाँ पर हम रिजल्ट लिख सकते हैं when QR as base and PS as height. जब QR बेस कंसीडर करेंगे और PS को हाइट कंसीडर करेंगे तो हम लिख सकते हैं एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR इक्वल टू हाफ इनटू QR इनटू PS. नाउ पुट अप द वैल्यूज. सो इट इज हाफ इनटू QR 6 इनटू PS 6. सो वी कैन solve this. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 into 6 it is equal to 18. So we get area of triangle. Therefore area of triangle PQR it is equal to 18. Let the equation. So हम इसे equation 1 consider करेंगे. Now PR as a base and QT as a height. Now QR as base and QT as height. Now area of triangle PQR it is equal to half into PR base into height QT. But we are already find out the area of triangle PQR equals to 18. It means from statement 1 we can put up the value of area of triangle PQR equal to 18, so 18 is equal to half into PR की लेंथ हमें यहाँ पे दी गई है वो है 12, then put the value 12 into QT हमें फाइंड करना है, so QT प्लेस एज इट इज। और यहाँ पर हम रीजन दे सकते हैं फ्रॉम फर्स्ट, क्योंकि फ्रॉम फर्स्ट से हमने ट्रायंगल PQR का एरिया यहाँ पर पुट किया है 18 इक्वल टू हाफ into 12 into QT, so therefore we can write QT is equals to 18 into 2 divided by 12. 18 into 2 divided by 12. So here we can solve. QT is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are. That is 18 by 6. 6 ones are 6 3s are. So QT equal to 3 units. So here this one is your final answer. The length of QT it is equal to 3 units. Okay. So next problem, problem number 4 that we are going to learn. तो यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि हमने अभी तक 3 प्रॉब्लम्स इस एक्सरसाइज के कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं। अब हम लेंगे चौथा प्रॉब्लम। Once again, I think we have to draw a figure in the question number 4. Question number 4. In this figure, ABC is a first triangle and BDC is a second triangle and last one AP is a perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines AD and BC। तो यहाँ पर आपको बताया गया है कि what is the here AP perpendicular to BC, AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC, then what is the ratio of area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDC। तो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDC। तो पहले हमें ये सॉल्व करने से पहले हमें यहाँ पर सोचना होगा कि ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल BDC के अकॉर्डिंग टू हमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन होती है। तो यहाँ पर नोटिस करने वाली बात ये है कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कंटेन्ड बाय टू पैरेलल लाइंस। इसका मतलब ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में है। सो वी नो दैट इफ टू ट्रायंगल्स हैविंग द पैरेलल लाइंस और द कंटेंट इन द टू पैरेलल लाइंस देन दे हैव द सेम हाइट। तो इसका मतलब ये होता है AB is the common height of the both of the triangles ABC as well as triangle BDC। तो इसके बाद में हम ये सोचेंगे the both of the triangles having the common base that is BC। यहाँ पे दोनों ट्रायंगल ABC और ट्रायंगल BDC का जो कॉमन बेस है वो है BC। तो यहाँ पर पहले हम सॉल्यूशन में लिखेंगे सॉल्यूशन AP perpendicular to BC and AD parallel to BC. This is given. Next, so therefore AP is common height of triangle ABC and triangle BDC। यहाँ पर दोनों ट्रायंगल की A की ये कॉमन हाइट है। सो देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हमें मालूम है कि जब दोनों ट्रायंगल्स की हाइट जो है वो सेम होगी या फिर कॉमन होगी तब उनका एरिया इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू देयर करेस्पॉन्डिंग बेसिस। सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDC is equal to BC upon BC because triangles having सेम हाइट। यहाँ पे दोनों ट्रायंगल की जो हाइट है वो सेम है। सो नाउ BC कैंसल, सो देयरफॉर वी गेट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDC इट इज इक्वल टू 1:1। सो 1 upon 1 therefore we can perform area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDC, it is equal to 1 is to 1. So it is, that is area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BDC. So we know that the triangles contained by two parallel lines having the same base are of equal areas. तो हमें मालूम है कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में होते हैं और अगर उनका बेस सेम होता है तो उन दो ट्रायंगल का एरिया भी सेम होगा. तो ये है हमारा प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4. द लास्ट प्रॉब्लम नाउ वी हैव प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5 फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज 1.1. अगेन वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ फिगर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Pay attention please. This is the triangle ABC. This is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex A, the perpendicular AD. And next, here another one triangle, that is PBC, and the perpendicular drawn from the point P, that is PQ. So in the figure we have in triangle ABC AD perpendicular to BC, and in triangle PBC PQ perpendicular to BC. Okay, so according to this figure we have to find out some given ratios. That is question number 5. Find the following ratios using the figure. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे पहला जो रेशियो है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सो सॉल्यूशन में पहले हम लिखेंगे व्हाट वी हैव. We have AD perpendicular to BC and PQ perpendicular to BC. तो हमें AD perpendicular to BC और PQ perpendicular to BC यहाँ पे फिगर में दिखते हैं. अब हमें फाइंड करना है रेशियो नंबर फर्स्ट, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQB एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PBC. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQB अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PBC. तो यहाँ पे हमें फाइंड करना है व्हाट इज द रेशियो ऑफ दीस टू ट्रायंगल्स. तो यहाँ पे हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं इन ट्रायंगल PBQ एंड द नेक्स्ट in triangle PQB and triangle PBC, the both triangles having the same height PQ. In triangle PQB and triangle PBC, both triangles having the same height PQ, but they are different areas. They have different bases. That is, the base of triangle PQB is BQ and the base of triangle PBC is BC. तो यहाँ पे हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं कि triangle PQB का जो बेस है वो BQ है और triangle PBC का जो बेस है वो BC है. तो इन कंडीशन में हमें मालूम है if two triangles having the same height, then the ratio of the area of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equals to BQ upon BC. Triangles having same height. ये दोनों triangles same height के हैं, so therefore the area proportional to their corresponding bases. Number 2. Second, we have to find out area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC is equal to what? So which one is the triangle PBC? This is triangle PBC and this is triangle ABC. Now we can observe in this figure in triangle ABC and triangle PBC, both triangles having the same base BC, but they have different heights. That is, PQ is the height of triangle PBC and AD is the height of triangle ABC. तो यहाँ पर PBC की हाइट PQ और ABC की हाइट AD, लेकिन दोनों का बेस कॉमन, that is BC. So therefore area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, it is equal to, that is PQ upon AD, because triangles having same base, triangles having same base. तो ये है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल पीबीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी का रेशियो पीक्यू अपॉन एडी, बिकॉज दोनों ट्रायंगल्स सेम बेस पे है और उनकी जो हाइट्स है वो डिफरेंट है, पीक्यू एंड एडी. नेक्स्ट नंबर थर्ड, नंबर 3, थर्ड रेशियो वी हैव टू फाइंड. तीसरा रेशियो हमें फाइंड करना है और वो है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी. तो यहां पे फिर से हम देख सकते हैं फिगर में, ट्रायंगल एबीसी हैविंग द बेस बीसी एंड हाइट एडी, एंड ट्रायंगल एडीसी हैविंग द बेस डीसी एंड हाइट एडी. यहाँ पर एडीसी का जो बेस है वो डीसी है, हाइट एडी है. एबीसी का बेस है बीसी और हाइट एडी है. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं कि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में एडी कॉमन है. तो अगेन वी हैव देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एबीसी अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल एडीसी इज इक्वल टू, अब इनका जो रेशियो होगा वो इनकी करस्पॉन्डिंग बेसिस की इक्वल होगा, वो है बीसी बाय डीसी, बिकॉज triangles having same height, दोनों ट्रायंगल की हाइट सेम है. नेक्स्ट द लास्ट, from this one we have to find out the ratio of the area of triangle ADC and PQC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC equals to what? तो यहाँ पर ट्रायंगल ADC का बेस है DC, हाइट है AD. ट्रायंगल PQC का बेस है CQ और हाइट है PQ. तो यहाँ पर हाइट एंड बेसिस में से कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, इट मींस द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स, वी कैन परफॉर्म रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQC एंड ट्रायंगल ADC is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding heights and bases. So therefore area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to DC into AD by QC into PQ. Ratio of areas of two triangles. तो ये रही आपकी एक्सरसाइज 1.1. ईच एंड एवरी प्रॉब्लम वी टेकन दैट problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all problems are solved now. So thank you.